Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing into the Google account you want to share from. Tap your profile, then location sharing. This is the only way through Google's built-in feature. Grant Maps location permission and background access so sharing remains active. Once done, tap Share Location and choose who to share with. You can pick a contact or create a link. Make sure battery-saving modes are off so updates stay frequent, and proceed to set the duration or until you turn it off yourself. Next, choose exactly who receives your live location and why. Pick a contact from your Google Contacts or generate a link for anyone with it. You'll see options for time. Choose a specific duration or share until you stop. Duration limits conserve privacy and battery. Once chosen, confirm the map preview so recipients see the correct spot and verify accuracy. If needed, toggle Wi-Fi or high accuracy mode to improve GPS lock. Then hit share to begin broadcasting your location. To finish, open location sharing again and tap stop to cut off access immediately. This is how you revoke the only active Google method. If recipients report stale or missing updates, first toggle your device location off and on, then restart the Maps app because that refresh fixes most locks. Make sure the correct Google account is active, app permissions allow background location, battery saver is disabled, and cellular or Wi-Fi is connected. If problems persist, restart the phone and try sharing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.